Have you ever wanted to join a credit union that will approve you for high limit credit cards? You might not be ready for this one. Look, we just uncovered a credit union that approves you for $25,000 credit cards and $25,000 personal loans and even home loans. You don't need a government job. You don't have to worry about perfect credit, and you can join from the comfort of your home.
That's right, money magnets. Hughes Federal Credit Union is saying yes when the big banks are saying no. We're breaking down how you can join, how you can get to these massive limits, and why this is a secret weapon you need in your financial lineup. Grab your notebook, money magnets. The next few minutes could put tens of thousands of dollars in your pocket this month. Most credit unions make you jump through hoops, work for the city, live in a tiny area, or you have to have some type of family connection. But guess what? Hughes Federal Credit Union is breaking the mold, Marvin.
But if you live or worship or go to school in the counties in Arizona that they're in, you can join. And even if you don't, guess what, guys? You can join through one of their partner organizations for just $5. That's it. No secret handshake required.
Okay, now, this credit union, they've been around since 1952. And they have over $2.5 billion in assets. And are approving people for credit limits that will make your head spin.
And since they're a nonprofit, guys, you know what? They want to approve you. That means better rates, lower fees, and a real shot at funding that you may need to level up. So make sure you like and share this video with somebody that actually needs it. Let's talk about the main event right now, guys. The credit cards. Hughes Federal is approving $10,000, $15,000, and even $25,000 limits on their signature cards. And guess what, guys? They pull TransUnion.
Okay, let's dive into these cards. Their Platinum Rewards card has no annual fee, cash back on every purchase, and limits that can literally change your financial life overnight. But y'all know how I feel about having cards in your wallet that you don't pay annual fees on.
Look, we've seen some of our students with a 650 credit score walk away with $25,000. They wouldn't get that at PNC or Citibank, but you can get that right here at Hughes Federal.
And they have options. The Platinum card is for everyday spending. Rewards for those points. They even have a secure card if you have challenging credit so that you can rebuild. They look at the whole financial picture, not just your score.
And that's important. You know, when you're at a smaller bank or a small credit union, you actually have people that you can talk to and you can build a relationship. Now, for you business owners, this could be a cash flow changer. Imagine having $50,000 in available credit at low rates. That's the key. You know, that gives you more money for inventory, marketing, or maybe just peace of mind because you have an emergency stockpile of cash. And guys, if you want a free business strategy call, I need you guys to comment capital below and we'll send you over the link.
Okay, now let's talk about the personal loans. Hughes Federal Credit Union is offering up to $25,000, Marvin, in unsecured funding. No collateral, no car titles like one man. You know they want to take your car to give you some money. Just your signature. That's all you need.
And look, rates start out as low as 8.99% APR for qualified borrowers. You got to have a good credit score to get that. But even if your credit is not perfect, they're still competitive. $25,000 at 8.9%. over 60 months, look, that's not bad, and that can compete with Lightstream.
Most definitely, but there's no prepayment penalties, which is a plus. They have flexible terms, and you can get approved and funded in as little as 24 to 48 hours. We've seen money magnets use these loans to launch a business, consolidate debt, or they even take advantage of some big opportunities that may come your way.
You might be looking to get in real estate, or like Gloria said, just start a new business. We saw one of our clients grab a $20,000 personal loan, invested in the inventory, and flipped it into $100,000 in revenue in 6 months.
That's cash flow changer, Marvin.
Big time.
Okay, money magnets. If you need a new car, which, Marvin, I need that new car, they will finance up to 110% of your vehicle value. That includes car, taxes, warranty.
Right.
All rolled into one payment. Marvin, yep. I'm ready.
Let's get it, baby.
I'm ready.
All right, look, their rates are often 2 to 3% lower than what you'll get at the dealers. Remember, don't go to a dealer looking for money. Get approved before you shop. That way you can negotiate with power.
And let's not forget, they do refinance as well.
Right.
So if you're stuck in a high interest rate loan, you can save hundreds a month. And for business owners needing a vehicle, this is how you get it done without the dealer game. Martin.
Yeah. And then let's switch over, Gloria, to homeowners.
Okay.
Homeowners, listen up. Hughes Federal offers home equity lines and lines of credit that can unlock the wealth that's sitting in your property that could allow you to open up a new business.
Wow, we're talking about lump sums at a fixed rate for big projects or investments or a revolving line of credit. You can tap into it as you need it. So that means you don't pay unless you use.
Right. Access
up to 90% of your home's value, often at single-digit interest rates. That's right there is a cash flow changer for me.
It is. And then one of our clients pulled $75,000 from their home equity line and bought 2 rentals. All right, so you can do this for real estate if you got enough equity. And guess what? These properties are pulling in over $2,400 a month in passive income. That's how you use your home to build wealth.
Yes, it is, Marvin. But one thing that I love is the streamlined application process.
Yeah.
It's reasonable closing costs, and the funds are in your account within 30 to 45 days.
Right.
That's fast money for big moves.
Yeah. So, and even if you're buying a home, upgrading, or refinancing, Hughes Federal has conventional, FHA, VA, and even jumbo loans. So they kind of got all the home products covered.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. They keep most loans in-house, so you don't have to worry about that. They're going to finance you right there. You have a real person looking at your deal. So there's no faceless corporation that you got to worry about getting proved with. And if you're self-employed, they look at the whole financial picture, not just a W-2, Marvin. That's really important.
And then when you're dealing with a credit union, you're going to get lower closing costs, competitive rates, and like Gloria said, personalized service. And that's how you save thousands on your biggest investment, because a home usually is the average person's biggest investment that they'll have in a lifetime.
Okay, Money Magnets, this is your move. Hughes Federal Credit Union is approving people right now for massive limits and loans. This is one you don't want to sleep on.
Yep. They might be competing with Navy Federal. So look, guys, we got the link in the description, plus our step-by-step guide on how to maximize your approval odds. Drop a comment if you're going to get a credit card, the personal loan, or the home equity line. Let us know what y'all doing out there.
Okay, Money Magnets, if this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more Money Magnet secrets, and share this with someone who may need it.
And look, for the best results, make sure you have a 700 credit score on your TransUnion if you're going for the individual products. If you're going for the home loans, you want to have all 3 bureaus above 700. Remove your freezes and fraud alerts. Make sure you got less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months.
Okay, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another credit union with high limits, you may want to check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.